In today's video, we'll be looking at the future of construction and its impact on construction professionals. The construction industry is on the cusp of a technological revolution, driven by advancements in digital technology, sustainable practices, and innovative materials. This transformation will significantly impact the roles of quantity surveyors, the architects, the civil engineers, the builders, and the project managers, altering their responsibilities, skill requirements, and ways of working. This video explores what the future holds for these professions. So we will be looking at the basic trends and tools with their impact on construction professional roles. And the first trend is the digital transformation and BIM integration. The building information modeling, BIM, is rapidly becoming the cornerstone of modern construction. It offers a digital representation of the physical and functional characteristics of a facility. BIM integration will significantly enhance collaboration among all stakeholders. So let's look at how BIM affects construction professional roles. So the first professional we will be looking at are the quantity surveyors. As BIM provides detailed and precise data, the quantity surveyors will benefit from more accurate cost estimation and quantity takeoffs. For the architects, these professionals will use BIM to enhance design accuracy and efficiency. The ability to visualize and simulate different design scenarios will allow architects to optimize their designs for performance, sustainability, and cost effectiveness. So the civil engineers will leverage on BIM for detailed and integrated infrastructure planning. BIM's capability to stimulate real-world performance and construction sequencing will help engineers identify potential issues early and improve project planning and execution. So for the builders, these professionals will rely on BIM for precise construction planning and execution. While for the project managers, these professionals will use BIM to enhance project coordination and communication. Real-time updates and detailed project models will enable better monitoring for progress, resource allocation, and scheduling, leading to more effective project management. Our second trend is the automation and robotics. The introduction of automation and robotics in construction is set to redefine traditional roles. The first, we'll be looking at the role of the quantity surveyors. The quantity surveyors will see routine tasks such as data collection and measurement increasingly automated. This will allow them to focus more on strategic tasks like cost control and financial planning. Understanding and managing automated systems will become a crucial skill. For the architects, these professionals will incorporate automated design tools that can generate multiple design options based on specific parameters. This will enable them to explore a broader range of design possibilities quickly. Architects will need to adapt by becoming proficient in using these advanced tools and understanding their potential and limitations. The role for the civil engineers, these professionals will work with robotic systems for on-site tasks such as earth moving, bricklaying, and even complex assembly. Familiarity with robotic technologies and their integration into construction processes will be essential. And for the builders, these professionals will oversee the implementation of robotic systems on construction sites. They will need to ensure that robots are correctly calibrated and integrated into workflows, reducing manual labor and enhancing precision and safety. While for the project managers, these professionals will manage the integration of automation and robotics into project schedules and workflows. They will need to ensure their automated systems are used effectively to meet project deadlines and quality standards. And so moving us to our third trend, which is sustainability and green construction. Sustainability is increasingly important in construction, driving the adoption of green building practices and materials. Sustainability and green construction will affect the role of quantity surveyors, as they will need to understand the cost implications of sustainable materials and technologies. They will also play a crucial role in ensuring projects meet environmental standards and certifications such as LEED or BREEAM. While the architects will focus more on designing energy efficient buildings with minimal environmental impact. These include integrating renewable energy sources, sustainable materials, and innovative design practices to reduce carbon footprints. While for the civil engineers, they will be responsible for implementing sustainable construction practices and ensuring that infrastructure projects adhere to environmental regulations. They will also need to design systems that are resilient to climate change and other environmental challenges. While the builders will need to adopt sustainable construction practices and materials. They will play a key role in executing environmentally friendly designs and ensuring that construction processes minimize waste and energy use. And finally, for the project managers, they will coordinate the integration of sustainable practices across all stages of the construction process. They will need to balance environmental goals with budgetary and scheduling constraints. And so moving us to our fourth trend, advanced materials and construction techniques. Innovations in materials science and construction techniques will offer new possibilities for design and construction. Looking at the quantity surveyors, these professionals will need to stay updated on the latest materials and their cost implications. They will also need to assess the long-term benefits and potential savings of using advanced materials. And for the architects, these professionals will have the opportunity to push the boundaries of design with materials like self-healing concretes, carbon fiber composites, and 3D printed components. These materials will allow for more innovative and sustainable designs. And for the civil engineers, these professionals will implement new construction techniques such as modular construction, which can improve efficiency and reduce waste. Understanding the properties and applications of new materials will be critical for ensuring structural integrity and performance. The builders will need to become proficient in using new materials and construction techniques. This will involve adapting to new methods and ensuring that on-site teams are trained and equipped to handle advanced construction processes. While the project managers will oversee the adoption of new materials and techniques in construction projects, they will need to ensure that these innovations are integrated smoothly into project plans and that any associated risks are managed effectively. And the final emerging trend, the artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and machine learning will provide new tools for optimizing construction processes and designs. The quantity surveyors will use AI for predictive cost modeling and risk assessment. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide insights that were previously unattainable, enhancing decision-making processes. While the architects will leverage AI to generate design, alternatives, and optimize building performance. AI can assist in creating designs that maximize natural light, improve energy efficiency, and enhance occupant comfort. And so the civil engineers, these professionals, will utilize AI for predictive maintenance and management of infrastructure. AI can analyze data from sensors to other sources to predict when maintenance is needed, reducing downtime and extending the lifespan of structures. And the builders will integrate AI tools into on-site operations to improve efficiency and accuracy. AI can assist in quality control, safety monitoring, and resource management, making construction processes more reliable and effective. While the project managers will harness AI for project scheduling, resource allocation, and risk management. AI-driven insights can help project managers make informed decisions, anticipate potential issues, and optimize project outcomes. With all being said, the future of construction is set to be dynamic and transformative, heavily influenced by technological advancement, sustainability imperatives, and innovative materials. Quantity surveyors, the architects, the civil engineers, the builders, and the project managers will need to adapt to these changes by embracing new technologies, expanding their skill sets, and focusing on sustainability. Those who can navigate this evolving landscape will play a crucial role in shaping the built environment of tomorrow.